Did you know you can make a bakery-style vanilla pastry cake at home with just a few ingredients and one clever twist? Welcome to today's recipe. We're making a soft, creamy vanilla pastry cake that looks stunning and tastes even better. No fancy tools, no stress, just pure dessert bliss. Let's start with the batter. In a glass bowl, add 4 room temperature whole eggs, 1 cup sugar, and 6 grams of vanilla extract. Whisk using a hand mixer until creamy. Whisk in one direction, consistent motion helps build volume and ensures even mixing. The mixture should turn pale yellow and double in volume. That's your creamy cue. Don't overmix, stop once it's thick and ribbon-like. Overmixing can deflate the air and affect cake texture. Next, add 35 grams of oil and whisk again until fully combined. Sieve 1 cup Maida or cake flour with 3 grams of baking powder directly into the bowl. Always sift Maida and baking powder together to break up clumps and aerate the flour, which helps create a lighter sponge. Mix gently. Mix in a circular motion, scraping the sides and bottom to avoid dry pockets. Add 35 grams of milk. Mix until smooth, no lumps allowed. Pour in small amounts while mixing to help it incorporate smoothly and prevent splashing. Use a spatula or whisk to fold the milk in with slow circular motions. This keeps the batter airy and lump-free. Check consistency. The batter should be pourable, but not runny like thick pancake batter. Now let's prepare the tray. Take an 18x26-inch tray, spread some oil, place baking paper, and apply oil again on top. Pour the batter and spread evenly. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius and bake for 15 minutes. When it's done, let it cool completely. While the cake cools, let's make the cream. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups chilled whipping cream and 55 grams powdered sugar. Start whisking. Add 6 grams vanilla extract and whisk until stiff peaks form. Watch for stiff peaks, stop whisking. Trim the sponge edges with a knife. Place baking paper on top. Flip carefully. Tap to unmold. After unmolded, cut into 2 equal halves. Transfer 1 half to a cake board. Prepare sugar syrup with 1/4 cup warm water and 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix well. Apply syrup on the sponge, then spread whipped cream generously. Place the second sponge on top and repeat. Use a fork to create texture. It's optional but fun. Decorate with sugar balls. Trim the edges. And refrigerate for at least 2 hours. And that's it, a soft, creamy vanilla pastry cake made from scratch with simple ingredients and no stress. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious desserts and baking challenges.